The future of living. What will homes be like in 20 years? In today's world, homes are more than just shelters. They are intricate ecosystems of comfort and convenience. As technology advances and environmental concerns intensify, the future of homes promises exciting innovations that will redefine our living experiences. Join us as we embark on a journey to explore what our homes will be like in 20 years. The road to creating eco-friendly homes starts with selecting the right materials. It is crucial to use resources responsibly, ensuring they are not only renewable but also ethically sourced. Bamboo, an exceptionally robust material, is a standout choice for its rapid growth and durability. Hempcrete, a mixture of hemp fibers and lime, offers excellent insulation and fire resistance, and reclaimed wood adds character while reducing waste. These eco-friendly alternatives not only minimize the carbon footprint, but also contribute to healthier indoor environments. Solar energy plays a pivotal role in powering our homes of the future. Integrating solar panels seamlessly into rooftops or utilizing innovative tiles that double as both roofing and power generators can provide clean energy. Energy-efficient windows and smart appliances further reduce consumption. By harnessing the sun's power, we can significantly decrease our reliance on fossil fuels, promoting sustainable living. Insulating our homes is key to maintaining comfortable temperatures while conserving energy. Natural materials like cellulose, derived from recycled paper, offer excellent insulation and soundproofing. Cork, a highly effective insulator, can be used in various applications, including walls and floors. By incorporating these eco-friendly options, we can create energy-efficient homes that minimize heating and cooling costs. To ensure a steady supply of clean water, rainwater harvesting systems are essential. Capturing and storing rainwater in tanks or reservoirs can provide a sustainable source for landscaping and other non-potable uses. Gray water recycling systems can also be implemented to reuse treated domestic wastewater for irrigation, reducing demands on potable water resources. The science of building eco-friendly homes extends to managing waste effectively. Integrated waste management systems that include composting facilities can divert organic waste from landfills. Additionally, smart home technologies can monitor and control energy and water usage, promoting conservation. By embracing these scientific principles, we can build homes that minimize waste and resource consumption, designing homes that promote natural ventilation. And daylight is crucial for creating healthy and sustainable living spaces. Passive design strategies like cross-ventilation and thermal chimneys can naturally regulate indoor temperatures. By incorporating green roofs and strategically planting trees around the home, we can create microclimates that moderate temperatures and reduce energy costs. These design elements not only reduce our environmental impact, but also enhance the aesthetic appeal of our homes. Another fascinating aspect of the future of homes lies in the integration of smart home technology. Sensors, automated systems, and artificial intelligence can optimize energy consumption, lighting, temperature, and security. Imagine a home that anticipates your needs, adjusting the environment to your preferences while minimizing resource usage. This seamless blend of technology and sustainability enhances our living experience while promoting eco-friendliness. As we look ahead to the homes of the future, it's evident that innovation knows no bounds. From self-cleaning windows that repel dirt and water reducing cleaning time and costs to self-healing concrete that can repair minor cracks automatically, extending the lifespan of structures. Technology is transforming the way our homes operate and adapt to their surroundings. Sustainable homes can adapt to climate change. One of the most significant challenges posed by climate change is rising sea levels. Coastal homes face the risk of flooding and erosion, making it crucial to incorporate adaptation measures into their construction. Elevated foundations or stilts can help protect homes from rising seawaters, allowing them to remain habitable. By raising the structure above potential flood zones, we can safeguard against the impacts of coastal flooding associated with climate change. Another critical consideration is the increased frequency and intensity of extreme weather events. Storms, hurricanes, and other natural disasters can cause extensive damage to traditional homes. In areas prone to such disasters, it is essential to construct homes that can withstand the forces of nature. By incorporating robust and resilient materials, strengthening structural components, and implementing disaster-resistant design features, we can create homes that can endure extreme weather events, reducing the risk of total destruction. Furthermore, sustainable homes should be designed to minimize their impact on local ecosystems. Coastal habitats such as mangroves, marshes, and dunes play a crucial role in protecting coastlines from storms and erosion. Preserving and restoring these natural ecosystems can help buffer the impacts of climate change. By integrating green infrastructure and sustainable building practices, we can minimize the disruption to local ecosystems and enhance the resilience of coastal communities in the face of climate change. Water scarcity and droughts. Addressing water scarcity and droughts requires a multifaceted approach in building sustainable homes. One crucial aspect is the implementation of water-efficient fixtures and appliances. By installing low-flow shower heads, water-saving toilets, and water-efficient landscaping, we can significantly reduce indoor and outdoor water consumption. Another essential component is rainwater harvesting. Capturing and storing rainwater can provide a sustainable source of water for non-potable uses such as watering the garden or adding to a river system during dry periods. Rainwater harvesting systems can alleviate the strain on municipal water supplies, especially during droughts. Greywater recycling. Incorporating greywater recycling systems in sustainable homes allows for the reuse of treated domestic wastewater for landscape irrigation, reducing demands on potable water resources. This practice is particularly beneficial in areas facing water scarcity or droughts, as it diverts treated wastewater away from sewage plants, allowing for additional water extraction. By implementing greywater recycling, homeowners can maintain their landscapes while conserving valuable water resources. Xeriscaping. Xeriscaping is a landscaping approach that minimizes water usage through the selection of drought-tolerant plants, efficient irrigation systems, and the use of mulches to retain soil moisture. This method is particularly well suited for arid and semi-arid regions that face water scarcity or droughts. By adopting xeriscaping techniques, homeowners can create attractive and sustainable landscapes that thrive with minimal water consumption. Smart irrigation. Utilizing smart irrigation technologies such as weather-based controllers and soil moisture sensors is crucial for efficient water management in sustainable homes. These systems can adjust watering schedules based on weather forecasts and soil conditions, preventing overwatering and water wastage. Smart irrigation helps ensure that plants receive the necessary water while conserving this precious resource, making it an essential tool for water-wise landscaping. Green roofs. Green roofs, also known as living roofs are covered with vegetation and provide numerous benefits, including insulation, which can reduce heating and cooling costs. They also help manage stormwater runoff, reducing the strain on drainage systems and potentially alleviating flooding concerns. Green roofs can even mitigate the urban heat island effect, creating cooler and more sustainable living environments. Sustainable wood use. Utilizing wood from sustainably managed forests is a crucial aspect of building sustainable homes. By choosing wood certified by organizations such as the Forest Stewardship Council, we can ensure that trees are harvested responsibly, allowing forests to regenerate and provide continuous sources of renewable energy. Sustainable wood use not only reduces the environmental impact, but also supports responsible forestry practices, renewable energy integration. Incorporating renewable energy sources such as solar panels and wind turbines into sustainable homes reduces reliance on fossil fuels. Solar panels can generate electricity from sunlight, while wind turbines can harness wind energy, providing clean and sustainable power options. This integration can significantly decrease the carbon footprint of homes and promote energy independence. Energy efficiency measures. Implementing energy efficiency measures is paramount in building sustainable homes. These measures include using energy-efficient windows and doors, improving insulation, utilizing energy-efficient appliances, and incorporating LED lighting. By reducing energy consumption, sustainable homes can lower utility bills, minimize environmental impact, and promote responsible energy usage. Non-toxic materials. Selecting non-toxic and environmentally friendly materials is essential in building sustainable homes. Opting for low or zero volatile organic compounds, paints, formaldehyde-free cabinetry, and sustainable wood products can create healthier indoor environments. Using non-toxic materials not only reduces the health risks for occupants, but also promotes a sustainable and responsible approach to construction, waste reduction, and recycling. Minimizing waste and maximizing recycling are integral to building sustainable homes. This involves reducing construction waste through careful planning, reusing materials whenever possible, and recycling waste responsibly. By diverting waste from landfills, sustainable homes can minimize their environmental impact and promote a circular economy. Conclusion. As the world grapples with the challenges of climate change, resource depletion, and environmental degradation, the need for sustainable living becomes increasingly urgent. Building eco-friendly homes is no longer a choice, but a necessity. Embracing these principles in construction not only reduces our ecological footprint, but also creates healthier and more resilient living spaces for ourselves and future generations. By investing in sustainable homes, we pave the way for a greener and more sustainable future. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and stay tuned for more updates on science and technology. Thank you for watching.